हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको मर्डर इन द कैथेड्रल बाय टी.एस. एलियट ड्रामा के ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन बताऊंगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हु वाज द किंग ऑफ इंग्लैंड इन बकेट्स टाइम? आंसर इज हेनरी सेकंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट पोजीशन does Thomas hold at the time of his murder? And the answer is Archbishop. Third question, what position has Thomas held in the past? पास्ट में क्या पोजीशन थी थॉमस की? वो चांसलर थे। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, वेयर हैज थॉमस बीन before the play start? And the answer is France. Fifth question, how long has Thomas been gone when he returns? And the answer is 7 years. Sixth question, where is the cathedral? And the answer is Canterbury. Seventh question, who is in the chorus? And the answer is woman. Eighth question, why did Eliot write this play? And the answer is he was commissioned for a festival. Ninth question, what year was the play first performed? And the answer is 1935. 10th question, why has the chorus gathered at the top of the play? And the answer is they sense something bad is going to be happened. 11th question, how can one best describe the chorus attitude at the top of the play? And the answer is pessimistic. 12th question, how does the chorus feel about Thomas' return? And the answer is worried. 13th question, what is the first priest like? And the answer is worried. And the answer is worried. 14th question, what is the second priest like? And the answer is patient. 15th question, what is the third priest like? And the answer is pragmatic. 16th question, what medieval image suggests patience? And the answer is wheel. 17th question, in the image of the wheel, who sits at the center? And the answer is God. 18th question, who bring news of Thomas' return? And the answer is herald. 19th question, which of the following is not a subject of political disagreement between the king and Thomas? And the answer is alms for the poor. 20 question, why is the herald worried about Thomas' return? And the answer is violence might follow. Next question, what is Thomas' main flaw? and the answer is pride. Next question. Which of the following is not a powerful class in English politics in the play? And the answer is businessman. Next question. How does the chorus describe their lives in part 1? And the answer is living and partially living. Next question. For what does the second priest chide the chorus in part 1? And the answer is for being worried about Bucket's return. Next question. What are the two philosophies that Bucket juxtaposes in terms of the chorus? And the answer is acting and suffering. Next question. In what year does Murder in the Cathedral take place? Answer is 1170. Next question. In part 1, where does the action of the play take place? And the answer is the Archbishop's Hall. Next. In what city of England does this story take place? And the answer is Canterbury. Next. What character opened the play with the first monologue? And the answer is Chorus. According to the information in the opening monologue, how many years have passed since the Archbishop has left the city? And the answer is 7. Next. What does the chorus claim in their purpose in the action of the play? And the answer is to witness the event and take no action. Next. What group of people does the chorus consist of? And the answer is the women of Canterbury. Next. Out of the following choice, which would be the least likely reason behind the sermon? And the answer is to submit to the tempter. Next. What would be the most likely reaction of the Canterbury people that this is Bucket's last sermon? And the answer is shock and confusion. Shock and confusion. Next question. What did the fourth knight call Thomas Bucket? And the answer is a monster of egotism. Next question. Where were the knights before they came to Canterbury? And the answer is France. Next. What character make their first appearance in part 2? And the answer is the four knights. Next question. What does the first priest bring in? And the answer is the banner of Saint Stephen. The banner of Saint Stephen. Next question. What does the fourth knight believe was the cause of Bucket's death? And the answer is suicide. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, from what gospel does bucket quote in the opening of his sermon? And the answer is Luke. Next question, what is the another way bucket refused to define a martyr? And the answer is an accident of chance. Next question, how does Bucket feel about martyr? And the answer is he admires them. Next question, what is the major point that the third night wishes to relate to the audience? And the answer is the knights are getting nothing out of the murder. Next question, according to Bucket, what is one way you cannot define a martyr? And the answer is a Christian killed because he is a Christian. ये वाला आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what might be the purpose of the interlude? And the answer is to prepare the audience for the event of part second. Next question, what is one way that Bucket define peace? And the answer is the kingdom of England at peace with its neighbor. Next question, (47) at what time of day does the sermon take place? And the answer is morning. 48 question, what do the priests compare the night to? And the answer is beasts. Next question, 49, which biblical story does Bucket mention? And the answer is the angels appearing to the shepherd of Bethlehem on Christmas. Next question, 50, which specific Canterbury martyr does Bucket ask the congregation to remember? And the answer is Archbishop Alphege. Next question, 51, what does the scene change to when the priest and Bucket exit? And the answer is the cathedral. Next question, who is the leader of the group? And the answer is the first night लीडर था ग्रुप का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in what city is Bucket's birthplace located? And the answer is London. Next question, what according to Bucket is celebrated that day? And the answer is the birth of Christ. Next, where is the interlude set? And the answer is the cathedral. कैथेड्रल में इंटरल्यूड सेट था. फ्रेंड्स, 56 क्वेश्चन ये वाला क्वेश्चन और 57 ये दो क्वेश्चन आपके लिए हैं. इनको पढ़िए ध्यान से और कमेंट में इनके आंसर बताइए. इससे आपकी तैयारी कितनी है ये भी पता लगेगा और आपकी प्रैक्टिस भी होगी। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। थैंक यू।